Okay, Assalamualaikum to everyone. So today we're going to continue on tutorial 7a, which is logical function. Okay, in this tutorial 7, so this is part of our data acquisition and data preparation. So we're going to continue on this tutorial 7, which is logical function. So we're going to learn about function if, and, or, and not. Okay, these four function also been used digital electronic, which is on the subtopic logic gate. But this one will apply it function in Excel. So we're gonna go to the first one, which is if function. Okay, the if function checks whether a condition is met and return one value if true and another value if false. Okay, for example, take a look at the if function in the cell C2 below. Okay, this is the C2. Okay, so the condition if is if B2 is more than 60, it will show pass. If not, it will show fail. So this one you will see this Richard get 93 score, which is pass. Same goes to Jennifer, but then James he get less than 60, so the result here will be fail. Okay, it's not require the function if. Okay, it's not more than or equal to 60, so it will fail. Okay, and same goes to Lisa. It passed because more than 60, but not for Sharon because she got 41, so not more than 60. So how we gonna do this is, first we go to our Excel. Okay, this one for if function, you need to write this this equation, or can we say this formula, to apply in the C2 column. So first of all, we're gonna type here equal if. So you just select here, double click, and select column B2. Okay, just type, can you get B2, and then type it equal to, this one I make it 70 to pass. Okay, so the student all the student here must get 70 to pass. If not, it will show fail. So here we write pass, and then if it's not satisfied the condition, the first condition, it will show fail. Okay, so we click enter, so it will show pass. So you no need for you to type one by one for the next column. So you just drag this one till the end, so you will get this one. Jennifer, she's not more than 70 mark, she get score, and same goes to James and also Sharon. Only Richard and Lisa got 70 above, so they pass. Okay, that is for if function. So next we go to next function, which is and. Okay, before that you can see here explanation. If the score is greater than 60 or equal to 60, because we make this greater equal, so it will include 60. The function return pass, else it return fail. So if you want a more explanation, you can just click here and you go for the more example in the link. Okay, then next we go for and function. The and function return true if all conditions are true, and return false if any condition are false. Okay, so this one is different because it's only true if both of the score is true. If either one condition is false, so it will return false. Okay, for example, take a look at the n function in the cell D2 below. This D2 is the result. Okay, so we're gonna go and try it in our n function. So this one we're gonna click here, uh, select this, and then we're gonna write like before, and double click, and then B2, select, we write B2. Okay, sorry, B2 is more than and equal to 60. Then C2, sorry, C2 is more than equal 90. So it will return false. Okay, because this one is satisfied the condition 1, which is more than 60, but the score 2, which is C2 row, I mean column, C2 column, C2 is this one, C2, this one, is not more than 90, so it is false. Because either one of the score is false, then it will return false. It must qualify both condition, which is all score 1 and score 2 must be qualified all both condition, that it will return true. So we just select all until next. Okay, like this one satisfied both condition, which is more than 60 and also more than 90, so it will return true. But this one is not, both are not, so it will return false. Same goes to this one, satisfied both conditions, so it will return true, and this one does not satisfy both conditions, so it will return false. So that is AND gate. And so we go to the explanation here. The AND function return true if the first score is greater than or equal to 60 and the second score is greater than or equal to 90, else it return false. Okay, so it must qualify to both condition, then it will return true. Okay, if not, it return false. Okay. Okay, next we go to OR function. The OR function return true if any of the conditions are true and return false if all the conditions are false. It means that it will only return true if any of the conditions are true. I mean that if even if one condition is true, it will still return true. And it only return false if both condition is false. Okay, like this one, 90 and 80. This one is true because the first score qualified the condition, which is more than 60. But this one is also qualified because more than 60. But we go to next, same, more than 60. But this one, you can see James is less than 60. But the on the score one, on the score one, he does not qualify the condition, which is more than 60 mark. But this one, he's qualified, his score qualified, his score 2 qualified the condition, which is more than 60. It will return true because the condition of all function return true if any of the data is true, so it will still return true. Same goes to Lisa, but not for Sharon because both of data is false, so it return false. Okay, so this OR function only will return false if both of the data is false. If either one data is true, it still will return true. Okay, so we go to our Excel. So So we type here on the column D2, okay, equal or sorry, or, and then B2 more than and equal to 60, and C2 more than or equal to 62. So we're gonna click and so it will return true. So we drag it to the, so only the last one will return false. Only Sharon will return false result, as both of the condition does not both of the score does not qualify the condition, this one more than 60 and second score also more than 60. So we, that is for the or not the or function. So explanation here, you can still read here. The or function return true if at least one score greater than equal to 60, or else it's written false. Okay, so at least satu je betul, it still will return true. Okay, kalau both condition does not qualify, both score does not qualify the condition, only it will return false. Okay, that is for or not, and then or not or function. So next we go to the not function. Okay, the not function changes true to false and false to true. So it is if the condition is qualified, I mean that before this one is true, so it will reverse the function. You can see here the example not function reverse the result of or function. Okay, this is the reverse result of the or function. Okay, so if all you get true result, so on the not function you will get false. Okay, so we're gonna see how it works here in not. So you're gonna type here not function not and or, and then we select this one more than equal 60, and select this one more than equal 60, and make sure to close the column, as this one have two columns, so you have to close it by two columns too. So click on enter. Oops, because ini pula so you have to select this one if you want the result to be here. So let me show. Alah, hi. So this one I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so I'm gonna select here and paste. So click on enter, so it will return false, as it is the reverse function of what we got here in the or function. We get true, we got true and false, because the or condition is only written false if both of the score is false. But the not function will return the reverse function of or. So here we got false, and true. Okay, that is all for tutorial 7a.